Hello, everybody. This is Kritika Devi. I welcome you all once again to Sales IQ Partner Training Program. And today I'm going to give you an overview of how to market Zoho Sales IQ. Now, as you can see, this will be the agenda for this session that I'm going to take you through. We will see a brief introduction on the business landscape, followed by the opportunities on the live chat and chatbot market. We will also touch upon the go to market strategy for Zoho Sales IQ. Businesses around the world have faced huge challenges and have undergone a tremendous amount of change over the past few years, and this won't slow down in 2023. Just to note a few, like ESG, security, digital transformation, sustainability, economic challenges, after effects of the global pandemic. Now, it doesn't stop here, does it? Growing disruptions like ChatGPT that was recently released by OpenAI is disrupting marketing and the way marketers do their work. Global recessions, increasing customer expectations, and so on will continue to rack the business brains to come with a resilient strategy to withstand all the uncertainties. Now, uncertainties may loom as a negative aspect, but it can also become a repository for hope, for opportunity. Like not all risks are bad. Risks can also become opportunities for businesses. Now, with that positive outlook, let's dig deep into the opportunities that we can use to expand our businesses in the coming years. Now, during the outbreak of the COVID 19 pandemic, usage of live chat platforms boomed across different industry, especially in healthcare, where live chat and deployment of AI chatbots like COVID 19 chatbots were predominantly used. I read a very interesting use case of deploying a chatbot in an hospital in North America, where they deployed 61 different chatbots in 33 countries of their group, and during COVID, people were able to get efficient care, and the entire process was streamlined beautifully for both the hospital employees as well as the patients. And I think this use case portrays the harmony between technology and humans in a time where we needed the most. Now, this resulted in increasing demand for live chat software to provide 24/7 customer support, handle queries, and resolve other issues. Now, as you can see on the screen, it's going to reach $1.7 billion by 2030. Now, that's exciting for us, right? In the next couple of slides, we will see the data that will help us to take actionable insights. See, it's usually been the customer service live chat system that dominated the live chat software market and is expected to maintain its dominance in the upcoming years. I mean, it's not a surprise for us. Live chat for customer support has n number of advantages like providing instant communication, available instantly, can improve customer satisfaction, thereby improving customer loyalty, and so on. Especially in the era of customer focused businesses, live chat systems help to understand how and why unique customer events occur and what changes should be made to improve customer satisfaction. However, sales live chat system is also expected to have the highest growth rate during this forecasted period. Now, this is an opportunity for us where we can explore using Sales IQ. Recently, on our website pricing page, we deployed a live chat to increase conversions, and it helped us increase our conversions by 2x times. Now, moving on, by industry, the retail and e-commerce segment dominated the live chat software market in 2020. Now, having a live chat helps retailers to connect with the customer during the shopping process rather than after a purchase. This reduces the need for retailers to deal with customer service requests in the future and allows them to cross sell or upsell items. And this is precisely why there are, that they are preferred by many of the retailers. However, hospitality and travel and hospitality will have the highest growth during the live chat software market forecast period. In recent years, the competition in the travel industry makes it harder to attract customers and make profit. Now, this has fueled the adoption of online chat software by a number of players in the global travel and hospitality industry to gain competitive advantage over others. And did you know that a research depicts that, and on an average, a person visits approximately 38 websites while planning their vacation? Now, recently I did the same thing, and having a live chat option really helped me plan out my trips. Now, going on, like based on regions, North America contributed the highest market share in terms of revenue in 2020, accounting for more than two-fifths of the global live chat software industry, and is projected to continue its lead position by 2030. Now, this is attributed to the adoption of AI enabled tools to help businesses with customer support, sales, and marketing. However, APAC is estimated to witness the largest growth of 11% during the forecast period. This is due to a rise in demand for live chat software from numerous industries to automate and scale their activity, and a surge in adoption of chat apps in countries like India and China. Now, similar to what live chat market opportunities, let's also check for chatbots. Now, the global chatbot market size was worth 526 million in 2021. It is expected to reach 3.6 billion by 2030, growing at a rate of 23.9%, that is like 24% during this period. Several large businesses build their chatbots according to a predetermined set of guidelines. However, it is anticipated that large companies will optimize their chatbots shortly to achieve more sophisticated levels of operations. And that is precisely why large enterprises are expected to generate the highest market share, during this period. Now, moving on to by business model, the bots for services is anticipated to have the most significant growth, at a rate of 24.7%. Now, the ability of the bots to solve a wide variety of problems has led to an increase in the demand for their services. I mean, that's obvious. Now, moving on, by type, standalone is expected to hold the most commanding position. Now, while I was looking at this research report, this information was very interesting for me. So, it's not the web based or the messenger based or the third party that is going to rule, it's the standalone that will hold the commanding position in the market. Consumers increasingly use standalone messaging platforms to interact with visual assistant applications such as, Google Assistant, Amazon's Alexa, and Apple Siri. It is anticipated that this will significantly increase the demand for independent chatbots. Now, this is especially interesting for Sales IQ because our chatbots will be integrated with Siri or Alexa in the coming years, and the scope is just going to be brilliant. By product landscape, marketing will acquire the maximum market share with a at a growth of about 23.7% during this period. Since chatbots allow for direct customer interaction, digital marketers extensively use them to keep existing customers informed about new products and services. Therefore, it is anticipated that the marketing sector will experience significant growth. Now, we are at a certain understanding that using a chatbot to handle responses can drastically reduce the likelihood of losing a customer. Customers generally prefer to receive information about real time price updates about the brands they are shopping online. And these companies are increasingly adopting chatbots, which engages the user and helps reduce the overall amount of shopping time. Now, that's why e commerce businesses can improve their ROI by reducing operating costs. It's like a win win situation for customers as well as for the e commerce businesses. By regions, North America will acquire the largest share. That is, North America, will take the lead here. Like we know that North America is home to the most significant number of chatbot startups, and where most chatbot integrations actually taken place. The market expansion is also primarily driven by well established businesses and the aggressive deployment of chatbots in the healthcare, BFSI, and as well as e-commerce sectors. And APAC, Asia Pacific, will acquire the second largest share of the market, accounting for 970 million USD at a growth rate of 24%. The use of chatbots in the day-to-day operations of customer service is gaining popularity among a growing number of large businesses. Chatbots are being utilized in many high-volume customer service operations by various industries. The substantial, growth prospects of chatbots in this region can be attributed to the tremendous benefits to enterprises, such as reduction in operating cost, improvements in customer satisfaction, enhancements in operating efficiency, and so on. Now, as we saw the opportunities up ahead for businesses, let's take a look at the go to market strategy for Zoho Sales IQ. Our major focus in terms of industry is going to be e-commerce and travel and hospitality, followed by other industries. And we are going to target sales and marketing functions, followed by support. And we are also going to target companies of all sizes, be it small, medium, as well as large enterprises. As we have seen from the data, APAC is going to bloom in the coming years, and now it's a time for us to reign our market here. So our main focus area is going to be APAC, followed by Middle East, and then North America. Public sector organizations and government agencies are leading the adoption of AI based chatbots in India, using for various activities ranging from citizen engagement to ticket booking as well as customer service. While government bodies still lag their global counterparts in AI adoption, experts says that growth of chatbots in the public sector began during the pandemic and has continued since then and will continue in the coming years. Now, the range of deployments include bodies such as National Payments Corporation of India, Indian Railways. I think we would have come across Ask Diksha, and I think they also released 2.0 for this version. And recently, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation has also adopted chatbots for their bookings or to answer the users' queries. Now, there's going to be a tremendous amount of growth here, especially in Tamil Nadu, where the government is pushing off a lot of initiatives on adopting technological tools to provide a more wholesome experience to the people. As Martin Luther King said, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Our main focus groups are going to be this, especially for 2023. Now, I would also like to take this opportunity to emphasize on our core value drivers. First and foremost will be the integration with Zoho Stack and third party. Now, our competitive advantage is our native integration with other Zoho tools like Zoho CRM, Zoho Creator, Zoho Desk, and so on. Businesses can easily scale with us, especially in this day and age, and with Zoho's tremendous growth over the years and the forecasted growth in the coming years. Zoho's stack advantage will be hugely helpful for businesses of all size with our transparent pricing model. Now, more importantly, Zoho Sales IQ's customer support plays a huge role for customers to continue to place their trust on us. And additionally, Zoho Sales IQ is a platform that can be easily customized and extended according to the customer's need. And like any other business, we are not going to slow down, and this is the right time for us to surge forward. We are moving towards enabling businesses to provide a better journey to their customers, like with customer journey orchestration, balancing personalization with privacy, customer centric unified platform with real time personalized experience, and moreover, towards helping businesses take actionable insights with all the data. And Zoho Sales IQ is more than just a live chat software. We are going to hop on to become a customer journey analytics platform wherein we are able to help you in nailing down exactly why customers behave the way they do and improve customer experience with us. Gartner defines customer journey analytics as the process of tracking and analyzing the way customers use combinations of channels to interact with an organization. For example, let's take a look at this journey of a customer named Shiva. So Shiva sees a TV ad of a car that interests him, and he sees the same ad on Instagram. Now he clicks on that ad and visits the website to explore more about the car and the model and the features. Now he fills up the form to request for a code, and he also downloads a mobile app to get notifications easily. Next, he goes on to read reviews, related articles, compares pricing differences depending on the features selected, and he also consults with the sales rep. He keeps checking the site to check for any discounts, and then he moves on to select once satisfied, he moves on to select a date for a test ride, looks up dealership location nearer to his place. And then he goes on to visit the store, discusses with the salesperson, fills up the form, and goes for a test drive. And then finally, he decides on the model within his budget, gets the details with regards to the payment and finance options, and finally, once satisfied with everything, he buys a new car. And the journey doesn't stop here. No, his journey continues with support and so on. So, this entire journey of a customer named Shiva can be beautifully mapped within Sales IQ. And we are able to understand where the high points are and where the low points are, and where a business needs to improvise and where they need to specifically concentrate on. And this entire journey will help us to understand where customer churn happens and why it happens, and all these details can be easily identified. Now, customer journey analytics provides the insight we need to successfully manage a customer's journey. Like mapping customer journey and aggregating data, we can analyze the customer behavior and take actions by data led insights. Now, we are very quite excited about this journey. Now, we saw all these data forecasted on the market opportunities, and I just want to highlight what insights we are getting out of all this information. Like I mentioned initially, it is an opportunity for us and for you as partners. Zoho Sales IQ as a product is so versatile that it can be easily customized to all these markets, be it live chat, chatbots, or even the customer journey analytics that Gartner predicts as a technology trend for the next few years. It can be like we can use it as a standalone as a complete bundle with other products. This is an expansive market that we are yet to explore, especially in India. Every industry is forecasted to grow by more than 5x times. Even public sectors are going to adopt technological tools to smoothen and streamline their operations, and this is the right time for us to surge ahead. We are also open for collaborations. You can contact me or via LinkedIn, or you can even send a mail to me. Like I mentioned, my name is Kirutika Devi. My mail ID is kiruthik.pd@zohocorp.com for any sorts of marketing collaterals. Thank you once again for patiently tuning in to this presentation. Thank you so much.